Now, if you've been watching Crypto Trader for the last couple of months, you'll know that we've been to many conferences and seen many great projects. But at the Blockchain Connect conference, we've seen so many good projects that I actually don't know what to choose anymore. I'm here with one project that really caught my attention. What is CertiK?
Well, CertiK basically is a platform that aiming at building fully trustworthy smart contracts and blockchain ecosystems via the techniques we call formal verification.
Okay, hold on. So you're talking about fully trustworthy blockchains.
Yes.
I thought all blockchains were fully trustworthy.
Yeah, also many people have the same thought, but I would say the implementation of these blockchains and these cryptocurrencies are not fully trustworthy because they are program errors.
Programming errors inside the blockchain.
Inside the blockchain's code. Yeah.
So which blockchains have got programming errors, or when have we seen an example of blockchains with programming errors?
Yeah, well, for example, there are the DAO attack. There's just one line of, there's a one buggy line. Basically, they just send you the money before update your own balance. It's just one line error. It's in the DAO wallet.
So this is an error that the engineers make or the developers make when they're building the blockchain?
Yes, this is a mistake made by the engineers. Yeah.
Okay, so engineers make mistakes when they build blockchains?
Yeah, it's pretty common. And in the traditional system software industry, it's very common. We know that people will make mistakes. And according to one study done by Google, that the top software engineer in this world, they make one mistake in every 1,000 lines of code. So there are millions of lines of blockchain-related code out there. You can see how many bugs we have.
Okay, so what does CertiK actually do?
Yeah, we try to use this formal verification technique, and it basically is used a mathematical way to prove that the program, the implementation, indeed satisfy your design.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we try to prove that if the two models are consistent,
then there's no errors in the code?
Yeah, if they are consistent, there's no error. If there are some inconsistency, we know that there's some kind of like a program error up there.
So you've created a program that creates a mathematical model.
Yes.
After it reviews code?
Yes.
And compares it to what you actually want to achieve?
Yeah, compare with your expectation.
And if the two match, then there's no errors in the code?
Yeah, we will say there's no implementation bugs.
So you're the verification guys, actually?
Yes.
Okay, now you've just done a token sale, and you're the verification guys. Yes. What do you need a token for?
Yes, it's a good question. So first, we are formal verification experts. So I'm a assistant professor at Columbia University, teaching and also doing research in this formal verification. But the thing is, well, how can I let others trust our proof? So that's why we want to upload this kind of like proofs onto the ledgers, such that everyone can see them, everyone can validate the proofs.
So what you're saying is, you run a model, a mathematical model on my code.
Yes.
Once you've run the mathematical model of my code, you take the proof that you've run the model.
Yes.
And you put that proof in a blockchain.
Yes.
And what do you call that proof? Is it a...
Well, you can see that, well, compare with Bitcoin, right? They're trying to find some random number such that the hash function satisfies some constraints. They use it to prove that, well, they indeed done some work to in order to get some coins. They call it a proof of work scheme. And in our case, this work is a proof itself, so we call it a proof of proof scheme.
So you've created a new protocol called proof of proof.
Yes.
And it's proof that you have proofed someone else's code.
That's correct.
And
yes.
you have verified that the mathematical model in the code
satisfy your design.
Satisfies what it is.
Yes.
Wow, that's quite complicated.
Yeah.
So you guys raised all your money. Were there any big funds that invested behind you guys?
Yeah, so we got investors from, let's say, FBG, Danhua VC, Lightspeed China, Digital, Benbushi Digital. Yes.
And they're all saying that there must be a lot of
and also
errors.
Binance Labs.
And Binance Labs.
Yeah, they are our major investor.
If our viewers want to hear more about CertiK, where can they go?
Yeah, you can go to our website. You can go to CertiK.org website.
Certainly a very, very, very fascinating concept. Thank you so much for coming on Crypto Trader.